Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this stylish extrude photo effect in Photoshop. So, let's get started. First, select your main image and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy. Now go to Filter Stylize Extrude. In the extrude settings, set the size to around 30 pixels and the depth to around 30. For the type, you can choose pyramid or blocks, depending on the look you want. I'll use these settings for this design. Once you're happy with the result, press OK. Now let's control exactly where the effect appears. Select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection around the area where you want to apply the effect. Hold Shift and create additional selections if you want the effect in multiple areas. Once your selections are ready, click Add Layer Mask. Then press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Next, double-click the layer to open blending options and enable stroke. Adjust the stroke size, position, color, and opacity to match your design. Now let's finish the poster with some typography. Create a new layer, select the text tool, and add any text you want. Adjust the font, size, and position to complete the composition. And that's it. Here's the final result. With just a few steps, you can create this stylish extrude photo effect in Photoshop.